everybody, and we are going to be doing a song now that we've already done, but enough people seem to enjoy it that I'm bringing it back. It's called Dino Ditty-Wa. So we're going to go over our dance moves, we're going to go over how to sing it, and then we're going to do it together. You ready to help out? Alright, we're going to start with stomping feet. We're going to say, T-Rex is coming and he's stomping around. Then you're going to wiggle your hips. Dinosaur Ditty-Wa, Ditty-Wa do. Come on, Benny, help me. We're going to look around. Looking for his supper, I don't want to be found. Then wiggle your hips. Dinosaur Ditty-Wa, Ditty-Wa do. Now we're going to go, he's huge.
He's strong.
He's tough.
He's tough.
He's huge. He's tough. And he never eats enough. That's it. Nice job. So we start with our stomping feet. We rock our hips. We look around and we rock our hips. Pretty much the same thing every time. All right, you ready to try it, Ben?
No.
Here we go. We're starting with our stomping feet. Let's do it. T-Rex is coming and he's stomping around. Dinosaur Ditty-Wa, Ditty-Wa do. Looking for his supper, I don't want to be found. Dinosaur Ditty-Wa, Ditty-Wa do. He's huge. He's tough. He's huge. He's tough. And he never eats enough. Excellent. All right, we're back to our stomping feet. Come on, buddy. Come in the video so everybody can see you.
No, I didn't.
T-Rex is coming and he's ready to fight. Dinosaur Ditty-Wa, Ditty-Wa do. Looking for his supper, so get out of sight. Dinosaur Ditty-Wa, Ditty-Wa do. He's huge. He's tough. He's huge. He's tough. And he never eats enough. Alright, this one changes a little. We're gonna run this time. Everybody runs when T-Rex is near. And then rock your hips. Dinosaur Ditty-Wa, Ditty-Wa do. Looking for his supper, so let's all disappear. Dinosaur Ditty-Wa, Ditty-Wa do. He's huge. He's tough. He's huge. He's tough. And he never eats enough. Alright, we're going to do one last one. You can choose how you dance at home. You could fly like a pterodactyl. You could swim like a plesiosaurus. Whatever you'd like to do. Here we go. T-Rex is coming and he's stomping around. Dinosaur Ditty-Wa, Ditty-Wa do. Looking for his supper, I don't want to be found. Dinosaur Ditty-Wa, Ditty-Wa do. He's huge. He's tough. He's huge. He's tough. And he never eats enough. In the Dinosaur Ditty-Wa do. Ta-da! Excellent dancing! We had fun over here. Hopefully you did too. And we'll see you in the next song.
Bye.